Let's start the session, please.
Let's start the session, please.
Sound is very low. And we need to connect sound system. Am I audible? Hello, Varshan. Good evening. Get ready, please. Am I audible? Any sound problem is there? Check to beta one time. You have mobile? No mobile? Okay, fine. No problem. See, today circle some again another typical questions. Sound is audible. Any voice problem is there? This problem, that problem. Because my laptop is now repaired. Little baby is ready to teach. Hi everyone. Just let's start the book, please. So now look here. We will be talking about circle chapter and we will be discussing. So inform everyone, Ashwita and everyone, to join as fast as possible. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Maha, how you wrote the test? That correction and score will only tell what and all are the status right now. Satya, I'm late. No, you're not late. Just now I started the session. Fine. We had discussion about some of the questions. We were discussing about some of the typical questions of circle. So today again, once I am giving the question, what you people have to do is you have to solve the question and send the question answer in our group, WhatsApp group, and if or personally also you can solve and send me so that I can have a look. Today's first question is, this is another important question. Till now, this question came 1 or 2 times in CBSE. Last this question came last this question came in 2023. Okay, so this question is important. Let's go for the question. Right, a circle a circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC. Okay, at B and touching AB and AC. And touching AD AC produced at Q and R respectively. Prove that AQ is equal to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. See, this is a very important question. This is NCRT example question. We are doing this chapter only, circle chapter. As you see that circle chapter is there on the screen. So now please everyone start solving the question. Please get ready for it. Start doing it. Good evening, Tarun. You people are not coming offline. One punch is needed on your face. One punch is needed on your face. I hope everybody might have understood. Yes. Everybody be live and solve and just submit the question in the group, please. I really wish everyone to solve the question and send me in the group. Personally, you have to solve the question and send me in the group so that I will be able to check. Now I'm having a wireless communication, so my voice will not tremble, nothing problem will come. I hope my voice is crystal clear right now. Any problem is coming at the time when I'm speaking. Here, offline students are nicely listening, not for you people. What to find? Sir, entire story is written on the screen. You are asking, who are you? What is this? Either your ears are not working or eyes are not working. Pair that and check. So now come on. My voice is audible. That's what I wanted to know. Yeah, your eyes are problem. I have no problem. So come on, check this one out. Yeah. RCR Gamers 214. Hmm. Good evening, Sharmila. That's not I asked that my voice is good or not. I asked my voice is audible. Audible and good, big difference between them. Come on, let's start. See here what the question is exactly clear. That's what. Yeah, that's good. So now listen, if somebody will be asking you that key one circle is there and in that circle, come on, go for it. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC and P and Q touching AB and AC. So that's what is the most important part is one triangle is there. Okay. And in this triangle, the triangle one side is exactly touching a circle like this. Maybe my circle is little problem. It is looking like gulab jamun only. No problem. We'll draw it again. Yeah. Now this is exactly the time. I hope you might have seen this one. Come on, see. So this is exactly what is exactly the circle is touching the triangle and the points, the contact points are P, Q, R, A, B and C. That's it. This is exactly the question given to you. What I have to do here? Actually, in this question, what they are asking is you have to prove that AQ is equal to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. This is exactly what you have to do. You have to prove that AQ, this AQ is half of, AQ is equal to half of perimeter of triangle. So first thing, you know one theorem and that theorem is exactly from the external point of a circle, the line, the tangents drawn are of equal length and that is exactly going to work here. You remember this point, that is the theorem. In circle 2 or 3 theorems are there for grade 10. First is radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. Second theorem is the tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal in length and this only you have to do. Understood? Ashwita, nice to see you back, boss. Welcome back, ma'am. Chalo, Ashwita, solve and send here. I saw some of your questions, answers. It was bang on. Handwriting is super cool. So definitely, when you will be solving this, I'll be getting some good report card. Like, okay, she will do it. But work on your efforts. Offline writing test means I could have I could have got better clear vision like you're doing good or not. Okay. Now come on, get back to work, please. So we are going to write the solution section. In solution section directly, see whatever the question is given, we are going to write it as given. Understood? Vishwa, good afternoon, sir. So here it is coming as given, and this is to prove that. Understood? So whatever is given in the question, that will become understood. So whatever question is given, that question will become given section, and to prove that part will become to prove that section. Understood or not? And now next part. If somebody will be asking you in the solution section what you are supposed to write. See here, 3 points are there. Check this one out. This is point A, and this is point B, and this is point C. So these becomes the external point. Understood or not? So first I am drawing with different colors so that it will become easy for you. This is one. Okay, from external point of a circle, the tangents drawn are of equal in length. Understood? So what we will say, AQ is equal to AR. Got it? Triangle ABC touches the circle at P, and AB and AC gets extended to Q, extended and touching the circle at Q and R respectively. Sir, yesterday you wrote test or not? You wrote? Okay. So definitely this is exactly, yes. How did I wrote the test? I didn't check the paper. I need some time to check. Okay, fine. So now AQ is equal to touching the circle at Q and R respectively. I hope you might have understood this point. So now now we are going to write this. AQ is equal to AR. BQ, you check this one out. I'm doing with different colors so that it will become easy for you. BQ is equal to BP. BQ is equal to BP. And we are going to see this one. CP is equal to this one. So that means we are going to say CP is equal to CR. What is the external point here? A is the external point. What is another external point? B is the external point. What is the another external point? C is the external point. So 3 external points are there. I hope you might have understood. So A is the external point, B is the external point, and C is the external point. And what is our theorem? Our theorem is the tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal in length. Okay, tangents drawn. Seriously, that face I punch very badly. Do your work. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle. From external point of a circle are equal in length. Okay, now see this part. Now AQ is equal to AR. This is our most important thing. Understood or not? So here this is AQ is equal to AR. We are going to take it as baseline. Correct? Because AQ is equal to AR, we are going to take it as equation 1. Correct? AQ is equal to AR. Done? AQ is equal to AR. Another thing, can you guess what all work we can get? See, AQ, this is equation 1 given, correct? Now, instead of AR, what we can write? AR can be written as AC plus CR. Done? Instead of CR, what we can write? AQ is equal to AC plus CP. Done. Now that side AQ can be written as, this will become equation 2. And this total, we can write it as equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Then this is equation 1 and this part will become equation 4. Understood? Where and all you are generating the connectivity, good afternoon. Where and all you are generating the connectivity, that means that things you have to write very properly. So here now AQ is equal to, AQ what you can write? AQ is equal to AB plus BQ. AQ is equal to AB plus BQ. That's correct. So AQ is equal to AB plus BQ. So once you are writing AB plus BQ, BQ can be written as BP. BQ can be written as what? BP. AQ is equal to AB plus BP. This will become equation 5. So here what, which equation you use? You use using equation 3. Here which equation you used? Using equation, which equation you use? This BQ is equal to BP using equation 2. Understood? So you used equation, yes, now you need to add equation 4 and 5. So adding equation 4 and 5. So it will become 2AQ is equal to AC plus CB plus AB plus BP. So now these two will get added. 2AQ is equal to AC plus AB. Now CB plus BP will become BC. So AQ is equal to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. That's the story over. Perimeter of triangle ABC. This is what we had to prove, and we proved it comfortably. Did it? Isn't it? We used only one theorem, and as usual, we have used only one theorem. What was the theorem? Come on, say what is the theorem? Tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal in length. And please kindly write down because I will be seeing your note. I hope anybody sent the answer. Theorem number 1. Sir, in exam, if from your mouth theorem number 1 comes out now, you will come in trouble. Don't write theorem number 1, theorem number 2. Switch your fan, you can keep high. Don't write theorem 1, theorem 2. You can write only one thing, the tangents and yes. They are what? They are Param Gyanis, and they will see the theorem 1 and they'll understand which theorem we are talking about. They can go to class 9th book also and check theorem number 1. Understood? Don't write NCRT page number and theorem number. They will also not entertain that. For that, what you need to do is you need to solve. That's the only thing left. I hope you might have understood. Before exam, I can't entertain all this type of statements. I'm sorry. Your ears are working or not? Then do it. How many students are live right now? I want to check. Come on, say me hi as fast as possible. Inform in the group class started. Hey, do your work. Is it done? Shall we go for the next question, please? You are all right? One work is given to you. First, can you focus in that work? We'll go for the next question, please, because today's session will be till 3:30, 4:30 till 4:30 session will be there. So it will be exactly extended to 4:30. 4:30 only the session is going to be over. So today till 1 hour. Right now it is 3:30. One more hour you are going to be with me. Okay. So note down this one. Get ready. We'll go for the next question. Done. So now we are going to go for the next question. Check this question out. Whatever typical questions are there which you feel is difficult for you, we will be doing that questions and practicing that questions. Are you ready for it? Go for the next question. Write the question. AB and CD. AB and CD are common tangents. AB and CD are common tangents. AB and CD are common tangents. Understood. AB and CD are common tangents. What are they? They are common tangents to two circles of equal radii. To two circles. To two circles of equal radii. To two circles of equal radii. Understood. To two circles of equal radii. After that, prove that AB is equal to CD. So this is given section. Okay. What we have to prove? To prove that AB is equal to CD. Start doing it, please. Still you are solving. I just need only one word. 1 minute only I need. Start solving, please. Yeah, I can see the ma'am here. Ma'am is having ears and eyes both. Okay. So be very careful. You'll come in trouble. What happened? Did you solve? What was the question? What is given in the question? Their common tangents, equal radii is there. Understood or not? So equal radii means what, sir? Say.
Congruent circles.
Congruent circles. Full day means that is the best answer I received. What is that? Anything new you want to say means say. Full day means only one answer I got. Huh? Circles will be? Wow, means you people are going to write board examination. I am feeling pressure here now. What is that, yaar? Idiots, think first. Check at least once. Hmm? See, check, understand one thing. If somebody will be asking you this question is not at all tough. Two circles of equal radii are actually congruent. This is the first thing. That's true only. But another point to be learned here is what they've asked in the question that you have to prove AB is equal to CD. Correct, na? Now we are going to draw it. See, drawing is the only thing that we need to do. See, this is one circle and we have to do justification with another circle. This is looking like samosa only. This is the only problem. Somehow I managed to do it.
Radius.
Huh?
Radius will be different.
Radius will not be different. We'll make it same. We'll write it same, yeah. What is that? Now look here. This is exactly one. Hey, why more? Now look here. These are exactly the two this. Understood? Hey, this is AB and this part is C and D. So what they have given is they are having equal radius. So from the center, this distance and this distance will become same. This is R and this part will also become R. So here this is O and this will become O dash. Done. Now we will join this. These are the diameters. Okay. So now, never mind. Your comment is very nice. Afterwards, I will take care. Understood? Right now, I'm teaching. So now prove that AB is equal to CD. So once you have to prove that AB is equal to CD here. So what is AB? This one is exactly the tangent. We will say that this line L and this line M will become what? The tangents to the two circles having same radius. Tangents to the two circles having same radius. Okay. So I hope you might have understood this one. So if two circles are there, their radius is same. That means from the distance between the two centers, the distance will remain the same. Means the contact point will become the middle point. Remember this one. So now look here. So we need to understand that this distance and this distance and this distance remains the same. I hope you might have understood. So now what is exactly their guess? One last shot and I am going to block you. You remember this. Proof will start. If you are from Mars means. Okay. So now look here. Right? Joining O dash. After that, right? OA. Okay? O dash B. So these things we have joined actually. Note down nicely. Now you need to write clearly. OA is perpendicular. Understood not to AB. This you please remember. OA is perpendicular to AB and OB is perpendicular to A. and OB is perpendicular to A. Why? Because radius and tangents are perpendicular. Radius and tangents are perpendicular. If you will disturb me, means you will listen like this type of things only. Remember. So radius and tangents are perpendicular. I hope you might have understood. So radius and tangents are perpendicular. So if radius and tangents are perpendicular, now what we can say here is OA will be parallel to OB. Correct now? Because the diameter of this part is coming, so we can say OA is parallel to O dash B. Another thing is OA is also equal to O dash B. Understood? So that means what conclusion we can draw? This is a rectangle. Correct now? This is a rectangle. That means O dash BA is a rectangle. Done now? It's a rectangle, correct? Why? Because see this distance and this distance are equidistant. So they are exactly parallel also. You know what is the property of parallelogram is if one opposite sides are parallel and equal, the figure will be considered as a parallelogram. Understood now? So based on that property also we can now say what. Anything else you want to say? What?
No, ma'am, it's rectangle only 90 degree will be there.
Yeah, rectangle will be 90 degree. Hey, rectangle will be 90 degree, but to prove that part also, to prove that part also, first we need to take circle. Understood? And tangent and radius. Because radius and tangents are perpendicular. So that perpendicular is making what degree? 90 degree. Understood? And the radius, what is exactly the diameter part, what we have written, that is also coming as what? 90 degree. Understood? So only we dare to write it as rectangle. So once you have written it rectangle, that is another important part is AB distance will become OO dash. So AB is equal to OO dash. This is one part we have done. AB is equal to OO dash. Once you have written this one, that means similarly we can say that CD, similarly we can say the statement that CD is equal to OO dash. So this will become equation 1 and this will become equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, AB is equal to CD. I just make this. That's what. So see, the question was not at all tough. This is what you had to prove. This is what you had to prove, and we proved that only. You are checking my patience now. No. Don't check that. Come on, shall we go for next question, please? Very. See, this question is nothing. We had to do only one work. That see, this and these are the two tangents. They're telling that this should be equal to this. But the two circles are congruent, means they have equal radius. So we just did like that only. We said that radius and tangents are perpendicular. If these two adjacent angles, sum is coming as 90 degree and 90 degree. So 100% it is going to be a rectangle. If this is rectangle, means this side will be equal to this side. Similarly, this will also be a rectangle. So this side will be equal to that side. So this equal to this and this equal to this. So directly these two parts will become equal. If you will write the statement, you will be able to understand. Yeah. After solving the question is coming easy, boss. Before that it was not. Come on. Shall we solve the next question? Get ready for it. So please note down this question. Please note down this question. We'll go for the next question. Write down. This question I am not going to solve. Okay. The next question which I am going to give is, listen everyone. One single word coming from your mouth will be taken as an offense. Okay. So now listen. Another figure is given. I hope you are doing with them because I'm watching your note. Without drawing, you are the first genius who is solving a question. And that too, geometry section questions without drawing means only genius can do that. If genius is not getting full marks means you can understand what will happen to you. So now look here. We are going to solve next question. Get ready for it, please. Huh? Correct? Hey. Praveen? Hey, Ray. 1 minute break you give. Excuse me, sir. Hot seat, sir. Little bit here and there you did means my hand and your face will be there. Excuse me, are you playing Kaun Banega Crorepati? You come here, idiot. Mama, stay there. Now I'll go for the next question. இப்படி கண்ணு not working na, so இங்கே வாங்க. இங்கே வாங்க, no problem. Come in my range, boss. Come in my range. வாங்க, இங்கே வாங்க. Come on, solve the question next. So two circles are there. One is having center O, another having center O dash. Understood? So now A, B, C, D. You know you are crossing all units. Last time only I am telling you. Come on. Draw this. In the given figure, write down. In the given figure, your mouth is running so much. Write down, please. In the given figure, write down. Common tangents AB and CD. Common tangents AB and CD of two circles intersect at E. Of two circles, C with center O radius R and C dash with center O dash radius R dash. Intersects at E. Understood? After that, what they are telling, please listen very carefully. Intersects at E. Prove that AB is equal to CD. Good question.
What is it?
None over. This is what you have to prove. AB is equal to CD. Done? I punch you. Who will write? For what theorem you use? See what theorem you are using? What theorem? Hey! I'll move. Who is writing that? That's it. I'm coming. Wait. I gave one question to answer.
Yes.
Again, without drawing. Draw first. No, you need to draw and keep. Okay. Seriously, I'm going to send you to Mars last time. I'm telling you. Now look here. Please pay attention here. Now look here. In proof section, please check this one out. See, this is the tangent. If E is the external point, please remember this one. Everyone please note down. If E is the external point, then this length will be equal to this length. And for this circle, if E is the external point, this length will be equal to this length. So this part only we have to write. So we'll write in circle with center O and radius R. We need to be clearly writing. So in circle C with center O and radius R and C dash with center O dash and radius R dash. Okay. E is the external point. Last I'm telling you. Now, but if E is the external point, then what will happen? So AE will be equal to EC. AE will be equal to EC. This part will be taken as equation 1 and AE I want to add with EB. So EB is equal to EB. This is equation 2. And what theorem we are going to write? This is last part. Sir, can I block these two idiots? So, tangents drawn from external point of a circle. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle are of equal length. Understood? So tangents drawn from external okay are of equal length. Okay, try first. I'm going to block you after that. Wait, you made 1000 now. At least I will get 1 lakh subscribers. Nice. Do. I will also do. So adding equation 1 and 2, AE plus EB is equal to EC plus CD. So that means it will become AB is equal to CD. Adding equation 1 and 2. I hope you might have understood. These are the answers. AB is equal to CD. Emotional drama, na? Nice. Won't work in front of me. Done? This is done now. So this is exactly from external point of a circle. The tangents drawn are of equal length. This and this will be added. This will become total. This and this will be added. This will become total. So that's the answer. I hope you might have understood. So now we'll go for the next question. Get ready for it, please. So now look here. Are you ready for the next question, please? Some typical questions we are going to solve. Everyone ready? Similar triangle, some questions we are going to do. Circle chapter also some questions we are going to do. If you will write unwanted names, first I will block you and then I will keep the chat box off. Then you will be from Mars or Jupiter or any other space means you will not be able to contact me. That will be the biggest punishment for you. Remember that. Ready? Other students will get affected so only. Ready, beta? Question is, if all the sides of parallelogram touch a circle, if all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, if all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, show that the parallelogram is a rhombus. Yes. If all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, show that the parallelogram is a rhombus. Show that the parallelogram show that the parallelogram is a rhombus. This is one question. Actually, this question came in board exam CBSE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times only. So, right there, question I'm going to repeat. Question I'm going to repeat. Please listen the question one more time. The question is prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Prove that parallelogram. Prove that circumscribing a circle are of prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. Come on, go for it. Vishwa, answers are okay. Say. Can I do this? I've sent you one thing. You just check which one to put. Now check this one out. What is the answer here is, now look at it. For this circle, parallelogram circumscribing a circle around, everyone start submitting your papers, please. See, look here. This is a circle and this is the parallelogram. They're telling that it is a parallelogram. After that, we need to prove it is a rhombus. So this is touching. Okay. Everyone start submitting this. A, B, C, and D. Check this one out. So from external point of a circle, tangents drawn are of equal length. We need to do that. Okay. From external. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Already they have given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So now look here. Given part is what? In given section. What we need to write here is ABCD is a parallelogram. Like ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. So ABCD is a parallelogram. It is already given. Okay. After that, its side touches the circle. Its sides touches the circle. C with center and radius R. Okay. Understood? So its side touches the circle. Understood not? Till here we have done. After that, what we are going to do? We will talk about AB is equal to, first, this is the external point, A is the external point. So we can say, we can write it as P, Q, R, S. Everybody start solving and show me, because offline you did. Show me. I'm calling. You are crossing your limit, you know. Right now it's. Can you start the work, please? We are very interested to hear that words from you. Yes, class is there in TK. Now, better, did you finish? A is the external point. A is the external point means AB is equal to AS. A is the external point. Next, what is the external point? D is the external point. So can I write DP is equal to DQ. Now, C is the external point means CQ is equal to CR. Understood? And B is the external point means BR is equal to BS. Understood? So BR is equal to BS. BR is equal to BS. So this B is the external point. C is the external point and B is the external point. Understood? So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. I think it is done only. Next. So now what we are going to write, tangents drawn from external point of a circle are of equal in length. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle
AB plus BC is equal to AD plus BC. And we use AB plus
Yeah, use property of parallelogram, yeah. Thank you so much, children, for scolding you. Now look here. AP plus DP plus CQ plus C. If I am writing CQ, because see, look at CQ plus I can take CR is there. No? See, AP, DP. AP and DP will join together. Okay. Now DQ section is there. So DP is equal to DQ section is there. What is the problem? Why laughing? I'm not scolding you. Can you come here, please? Stay here and solve the question, please. Now look here. AP is equal to AS is there. Done. Now DP is equal to DQ is there. Now CQ should be there. So AP, DP is there. Now look here. DQ and CQ is needed together. So we will write there CR. Check this one out. See, we need to arrange this in such a way so that Understood. So AP and DP part is there. Now AS is there. So with AS, BS should be there. So here we are going to write BS. So if BS is that side, then BR will be this side. So CR will be this side. So CQ will be this side. That's it. So once you are writing this part, CQ will be there. So now we are going to add this one up. Come on. AP plus DP plus BR plus CR is equal to AS plus DS plus DQ plus CQ. So here AP plus DP will become AD plus here it is coming as DC. Here it will become AB plus CD. But it is exactly taking the opposite sides. I hope you might have understood. I hope you might have understood. So now look here. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, understood not? So opposite sides are equal and parallel. So can I say that ki AD will be equal to BC? AD is coming equal to BC. So we can just say, because rhombus means all sides are equal. So we can say AB plus AD equal to, that's it, AB plus AD. Why? Because since ABCD is a parallelogram, understood now? So AB will be parallel to BC and AD will be parallel to BC. So here AB will be equal to BC and AD will be equal to BC. Understood? So here AB will be equal to DC. So DC or CD, we have written it 2 times. So 2 times it is coming as 2 times of AD is equal to 2 times of AD. Cancel. So AD is equal to AB and that is equal to BC is equal to CD. So that means ABCD is a rhombus. I hope you might have understood. This is exactly the question, and this question came 8 times. I hope you have done that one. Okay, Maha, is it ready? Understood now? This question is easy. This question came 8 times in CBSE. So this question, okay. I hope you have understood. Finished? Wait, Maha, I need to check. Yes, Maha, it's okay, Vishwa. I think children, you should scold this person. This person is irritating. Only one person is fighting with this person. If you all will punch him, na, he will be silent after that. This Alan from Mars. Who is this Alan from Mars? One Alan from New Mars is coming. He is not having any other work. He is disturbing so long. I'm not getting that block button and not knowing this. I don't want to disturb other students. Don't dare to meet me outside. My hand will be there, your face will be there. No matter who you are, Your story will become over. Who is that? Our school student? Huh? Chalo, we'll go back to our work, please. Get lost. Going means you go. Don't stay back and again wait. Now look here, write the question. Nice, Ella person. Our Ella person is answering such a nice. Then we'll go for the next question. I'm going to start similar triangles, guys. But before that, write the question, please. Yes, trigonometry. Okay, fine. One small question in trigonometry I'm giving. Get ready for it, please. 2 tan 30 degree is equal to 1 plus tan square 30 degree will be equal to what? Your options are. Come on, start solving questions, children. Don't get it because one person is disturbing the class. That idiot is by mistake also if he will come near me. After that, me versus him will be there, means it will be more problem. I'm just waiting you come. After that you see. Nice answer, Vishwa. Super. Our Vishwa has given a very nice answer. I want to read it. Mars, I am a big fan. Mars tries so hard to look hot and cool, but ends up being cold, dry, and dusty. Identity crisis planet. Nice. That's called giving a slap in. That's called giving a slap in science language. Two people has given a nice slap to this person. Nice. Super. One more slap I need. Give. Not good. What is the correct answer? Sine 60 degree is correct answer. Huh? Sine 60 degree. Wait. We'll solve it. 2 tan 30 degree means 2 into 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 whole square is coming. It will become 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 3. So it is 2 by root 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. It is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. And then it will become 3 by 2 root 3. Rationalize it. It is coming 3 root 3 by 2 into 3. Cancel, it is coming as root 3 by 2. And I am not converting that 6 square theta is direct probability become sine 60 degree and answer is coming as B. Understood. The correct answer is coming as B. That was easy only, na? Huh? Application, this is the application only, you know. One day, shh. This is exactly 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sine 2 theta. That is the formula. If you want to solve in the most shortest way means 2 tan theta is equal to, sorry, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine 2 theta. That's the formula. Live was struck, now it may be. I hope now it is okay. Now it is okay. Yeah, I connected with another. We'll go for the next question. Solve this question. Question is, note down this one. Cos x is equal to, write down, cos x is equal to cos 30 degree into cos 60 degree cos 30 degree. Write down cos 60 cos 30 plus sin 60 sin 30 degree. Then what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Check this one out. X can be 30 degree, x can be 60 degree, x can be 45 degree, x can be 0 degree. Come on, go for it, please. Maha, answer is absolutely correct. Try.
Then cos 30, x is 30.
I don't know. I have to solve and check. Try solving question, please. Substitute and check.
30.
30. Two people got. How many of you got the answer? Raise your hand. Online children, can you tell me? Online children, can you tell me what is the answer for this? Cos 30, cos 60, sin 30. There is a formula now. See, directly we are doing the formula, but I am solving this question. Cos 60 is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So here it will become root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. It will become 2 root 3 by 4. So it is coming as root 3 by 2. So cos x is equal to root 3 by 2, that is cos x is equal to cos 30 degree. So x is equal to 30 degree. I hope you might have understood that's exactly correct. The correct answer here is A. A is coming as cos 30 degree. I hope you might have understood this part. Is it okay? Yes? I hope you have done the question nicely. Good. So now shall we go for the last question for today? Get ready everyone. This question is, just solve this question perfectly. Okay. Sin 2x is equal to sin 2x is equal to sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. Come on, go for it. Solve this question.
X is equal to 0. And x is equal to 0.
Huh?
X is equal to 0.
X is equal to
0.
Solve first. X is equal to 0. Are you confirm about it? Okay, Maha has given the answer. Let's check the answer is correct or wrong. Let's check the answer, please. So here it is coming as sin 2x is equal to sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So sin 2x, yes, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So sin 2x is equal to 2 by 4. So sin x 2x is equal to 1 by 2. So sin 2x is equal to sin 30 degree. So 2x is equal to 30 degree. So x will be equal to 30 degree. How 0 is coming? X is coming as here 15 degree. X is coming here as 15 degree. Please check everyone. Bye everyone.